To view advanced location information, you will want to see the info card. Tapping any name from your list of paired friends causes the info card to appear. Just swipe it down to dismiss it. You can even tap Me from the 3 menu items below the map to view your own info card. Each info card has specific information we've collected about the person's location you are tracking. You can see their current battery level, GPS strength, crime map, current weather conditions, distance from you, their current address, current speed, direction, altitude, and even when they were last seen moving. Below the info card, you will see 3 history buttons that let you go back in time to view previous locations they were at. Now is where your friend is at the moment. Today shows you all of the locations in a breadcrumb style dot-by-dot display for the past 24 hours. History takes you to an itemized list of trips and stops, including a display of the actual route they took with distance traveled, top speed, and more for the past 30 days. Below the 3 history buttons on the info card are 4 additional menu items. Chat allows you to chat with the person through the Chirp GPS interface. Directions gives you turn-by-turn directions to their current location. Block lets you block them from seeing where you are, but you can still see where they are. You just simply appear offline to them. Ping lets you send an automatic wake-up alert to their device if they appear offline for any reason, or you suspect they might have Chirp GPS turned off, or are maybe in a location where there's no GPS signal. So that's info cards.